Welcome back, office executives. In this short Excel video, I will be showing you that according to the rank, then rank by star, that is how many stars that particular employee has based on the sales data, and it will be shown by rank with not now numeric number but by star. How to do so? So first of all, let me apply the formula rank, and the number is this one, and the reference is the whole of the what is the rank of this particular Shubhankar Pal, rank of this cell B2, that is 93. What is its position based on the whole of the sales data? Let's press enter. So let me double click in here. So we are having two ones. Okay, so what the problem with this particular formula is that we are giving the range B2 to B12, and whenever we are double clicking or from for the relative reference, it would change from B2 to B3, but this B2 to B12 will change to B3 to B13. So let me fix this particular cell. After that, I will be doing the same procedure. Let's double click in here. So that's the rank of the employee based on the sales data. Now we'll be using a function rep, and the text would be star, and the number of times would be this one. Let's hit enter. So that's the ranking of the employees based on their sales data. You can just format this particular cell. Maybe I'll be giving a color of green, and I'll be giving a fill color of light blue, and I'll be applying all borders. So that's the data. So number one, that's rank by star. So we have used two formulas in this particular Excel sheet. One is the rank, and this won't be rank average, this will be simply a rank. The formula will be simply rank number reference order. Fine, let me press enter and double click in here, because earlier what we had selected is that the formula was rank average. Now we won't be using the formula rank average, we will be using the simply formula rank. So this is how our employee is being rated according to the sales data. So here one star means that he is number one, while whatever the stars are, so I mean the number of stars decides his ranking. The less the stars, the more the rank of his based on the data which is being shown in here. That's all for this particular problem scenario. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.